We probably underestimate how much we're going to have to do, but at the same time, I think being able to find these things and make it perfect is really going to be rewarding. I think the biggest challenge may be availability for data. How to work on this car. Again, there's only 292 of them produced. Workshop manuals are kind of non-existent. Picking and choosing how to fix things, how to take them apart, and know how to put them back together is going to be tricky.
Take Cody so we can be tagging this stuff as we go.
Yeah, you have a matching pair.
So we started with the brakes, kind of did a basic bleed, tried to get an idea of just the condition of the calipers and make sure we had brake fluid flowing everywhere it should be. Then we moved on to the fuel injectors and we pulled those, found some rubber lines that'll need to be replaced or repaired.
We powered each one of them up, measured what it would do with the stopwatch at 30 seconds. Each one of them filled it up at one of them at about 26 seconds and the other one at about 24 seconds. So we're pretty confident the pumps are good. So we're going to set those aside for now. Everything looks good. So until next time.
It's interesting that this is single plug and twin injector.
Yeah, that's kind of a little stressful. Nothing broken.
The hook is crazy.
I know.
What the heck?
No scratches.
Yeah.
Looks good.
So back here we did a coolant pressure test, and it does look like we have at least one coolant leak on bank one side of the engine, so we'll have to track that down and see if it's multiple or one, and pinpoint exactly where it's coming from and go from there. Hopefully it's nothing too serious, but that's why we do these tests.
Right now I'm looking at most of the screen. That's at the bottom right there.
Alright, so all we have to do is figure out how to get that out of there.
We'll do our best to make sure that it's running tight and perfect, and that's going to be the best challenge of all.